This is my project for the semester, and it's called My Carbon, and that's the logo on the right. A little bit about my project. My goal is to make a website for students to learn and track their carbon footprint, and specifically catered to college students. And I'm gonna just create my own scale so it's easier to track daily. The scale is kind of based off the MyFitnessPal app, where um, you get either positive or negative points, and then that adds to your total weekly score, and then you're able to get rewards and stuff like that. And then on my website, I'm going to blog about my experience about trying to reduce my carbon footprint daily and kind of show the process I went about to make the changes in my daily life. And then I'm going to do these posts every few days, send out surveys, informing people about recycling, and do the Fitness Pal tracker for carbon. And I'm also going to try to put some quizzes in there as well. So what is your carbon footprint? It's the total amount of greenhouse gases that are generated by our actions. So that's like how much carbon dioxide we give off to our environment. And how I'm going to incorporate COVID-19 into my project. I'm going to blog about how the stay-at-home orders across the globe are positively impacting our environment. So an example of this is like the canals in Venice finally have fish and dolphins. This is due to people just staying at home. And I want to focus more on being aware of individuals' domestic energy use, because everyone is basically in their homes right now. They're not going to work, like all the office buildings and places people work are not using as much energy. So I want to try to also get people to focus on reducing their carbon footprint in their own house, as well as practicing these habits after the lockdown is over. And then this is my tracker, and I haven't made much progress on this, but this week I'm really going to focus on it. And on the peer review, someone gave me a great advice to create a Google form survey and add in a function to calculate the answer, and then incorporate that into my website. So I think I'm going to get that working this week, and then have people try it out next week and adjust it from there. And then this is my website so far. This is a home page. I haven't really put much inside of it, but I'm going to do some card sort studies this week to see how my navigation bar works out. And then this was the survey I sent out about recycling. As you can see, like, it's kind of mixed things. Like 27% of people think that you can recycle plastic bags and you can't, and then 36.4% of people think you can recycle plastic wrap. So certain things people know that they can recycle, and certain things people are not really sure about. So I want to make sure to highlight the results from the survey on my website, because from these surveys I can tell people don't really know what it is. And then for my next deliverables, I'm going to complete 1 week of the tracker and get it all started, and have others complete it too. And then do a card sort and usability test for the website layout. I'm going to start my blog page for how COVID-19 is positively impacting the environment. And then I'm going to blog about my 2-week waste-free journey and the changes that I made to accomplish that.